Broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicweb.com. I'm making this video for one of my, answering one of my email. I think it was Anthony, if I'm correct, and was asking about how to use my webinars or information that I give out in webinar or explain in webinar, how to use it and how to put it to use, taking entries. Okay, so he just signed up and he's new, so he's probably having difficulty. So I said, let me make a video. So let's get started. So I'm gonna give you, Anthony, if you're listening, I'm gonna give you a current example that what I did myself and what I expect you guys to do after the webinar, right? So Sunday we see that what's happening, and then we take the trades Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday in the daytime, and then Wednesday 4 o'clock again I do the webinars telling you that okay, this is what happened and this is going to happen for Thursday and Friday, and that's what we're supposed to do. In between you get the fundies and news from here, there, and things are moving up and down. So I do it Sunday for the next couple of days, and then Wednesday webinar again to see. So in webinar I give you a chart and I tell you that okay, this pair is going to do this and this pair is going to do that, right? So now let me show you only one pair I'm going to show in this video, and because if I show different things then you're going to get confused again. Okay, so understand this phenomena, just one pair, pound yen. I'm going to show you this chart I made 20th September. This is just the history I'm showing you, that how my analysis is and how we do it, right? So 20th September, that this thing is going to go from here to here. Then what it did on Thursday when the market crashed was this. Okay, so it's nice and clean. It came down, and this is a little different chart, by the way. And if you look at what really happened to that chart, that the one I made was this, right? So from here to here, so we came down here. Now, pay attention to these two numbers, 140. My target was 140. I was talking all along, right? But I had this as well. I said, good chance that this time we're going to break 140 and go down. So I had this number, 37.76 and 33.46. So what we did, basically, we came down and we came to 33.46. Even we poked into this number as well. Now it start to go back up again. So on Sunday, I made this chart and said, okay, this is what happened, and it's going back up again and going towards 140. That's why 140 is the key number, because it's going to go back to 140, and either it's going to break 140 and go to the upside, then we are bullish. If we hold 140, we'll drop, then we are bearish, right? So going towards 140, if you see any opportunity, take it. So again, what was the major numbers going towards that? That number for 140 was, oh come on, man. You see that this is the 37.76 and this is 36.42, right? So now we go to and take a look at 40-minute chart. How does it look and where are those numbers? So 37.76 is this line here, and 36.42 is, let me just show you where it is, because it was passed when I gave you the chart. 36.42 is right there somewhere, right? Was 36.42 or what was the number? Yeah, 36.42, right? So this is the 40-minute chart. All right, 36.42, right? Now we draw these same two numbers. Oh man, I took the 37.76, dragging it. 37.76 was where? Oh, say this one, right? Now we go and take a look at the 20-minute chart and draw the same numbers. So I have them. 36.40, well, that's 36.44, 36.42, same thing, right there. Let me just make it 36.40. My computer is just running a little slow. Yeah, right there. Okay, 36.42, right? So it was gone, and then the price was good. And all of these, this one, beautiful entries, right? You can see. But look what happened here. Today, Monday, on the 7th, right? This was on the 4th, Friday. This was history. I did the webinar on Sunday, the 6th, yesterday. On the 7th, I see that we went up, and then we're coming down to this level here, 37.76. Big number. I had that number all along on my charts. Not this one, the one I had it before, like this one that we're going to drop from here, 140, and then 37.76. Right? So we got that number. The price came, bouncing that number, going to the upside. What I did is this. This is my current trade. It's still running, going 100 pip positive. Why? Because, again, planning step by step, weekly chart, know what's going on, where we are going. We are going towards 140. We are going up. Look for long. And this chart, even simple 20-minute chart, is telling you that how bullish it is. Look at it. Everything, all of these entries. This was a bullish entry, and then you have another bullish entry, take you all the way to the upside, right? So we are going towards now 140, and after we get there, I'm going to cash out and see if we can flip to the downside. And for that, we have to go and see yen index, that what yen index is doing. I gave you the yen index chart and everything. Yen index, keep an eye on the number 53.90. Okay, we may be flipping from there. And when the yen index is going to flip to the downside from 53.90, all the yen pair will be going down. All of them. Yen pair, euro yen, pound yen, Aussie yen, New Zealand yen, CAD yen, everything. And you can pick and choose which one you want to trade to the downside. This is how simple it is. Okay, so I hope you understand, and I hope that I have explained you. And still, if you have any question, and if you don't understand, tell me again, and I'll see if I can explain you any other way. Okay, and I will explain you, keep explaining you until you get it. This is why my job is. This is what my job is. This is what I do, and this is why I'm here. Okay, so just learn, watch my videos. This is what it is, and I gave you all. It's a lot of pairs, 40-minute charts also, right? Pay very good attentions. And the numbers, draw the numbers, draw those templates, 40-minute templates there on your computer, and then weekly charts, draw those numbers, horizontal numbers on 40-minute and 20-minute, and look for entries. Okay, so hope I made it clear for you, and this is it for now. I'm gonna go now and convert the recording and send out. In fact, I'm gonna send out to everyone, and I'll make this video public as well, because it's just one chart that I'm showing, pound yen, so no big deal. Okay, everybody else can understand more how these weekly numbers, highs and lows works, and how important they are. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.